It says a contractor is replacing a trapezoidal window. Okay, so this trapezoid is on its side. This is a trapezoid on its side. This is the last page. After the notes, the very last page, this is homework. So I'm doing a homework problem with you guys. Okay? So, for a trapezoid, we have our two bases. And since it is on its side, I'm going to make this one base 1, this one base 2. And I have this height of 3 feet. Is that height perpendicular to one of the bases? Or is that a slant height? Well, this little box tells me it's perpendicular. Okay? So, area of a trapezoid is equal to 1/2 times the height times the sum of the bases. I think the hardest part about this test is going to be knowing which formula to use. You have to recognize that this is a trapezoid, that the bases are not the same length. Okay? We are trying to find the area. So I'm leaving that as A, and that is 1/2 times a height of 3 times the sum of my bases. Base sub 1 is 4 plus base sub 2 is 5. So area equals, put your numbers that are in parentheses, add those together. I get 1/2 of 3 times 9. On your calculator, take 1/2 times 3 times 9. Should be 1/2 of 27, which is going to be 13.5. Yes? And since it's area, that is feet squared. We're trying to figure out how many little 1 by 1 foot squares are in there. Okay? That's part A. Part B says if the glass for the window costs $7 per square foot, so every square foot is going to cost $7, about how much should the contractor expect to pay? Well, here's my question. Can you buy 13.5 feet squared of window probably? Can you buy? Probably not. They're going to not sell you a 1/2 foot. So we're going to have to round it up to 14 feet squared. Does that make sense? Because they probably aren't going to sell you a 1/2 foot squared. So if it is $7 per square foot, we need to take 14 times 7 because it's $7 for each, and that's going to be $98. So this contractor should expect to pay probably $98. I multiplied. I rounded up to a whole number for the glass because it was 13.5. Rounded up to a whole number of 14. And then since it's $7 for each square foot, I took 14 times 7 and got 98. So your homework tonight is to do the back side of this 6.1. I am looking to collect this tomorrow. Please do the front, do the back, get it done, and let's get off to a great start on this chapter right before spring break. I will be here tonight after school. Okay. If anybody wants to come in, working on either old or missing assignments, anything. Okay.